If you are preparing for GATE DA 2026 right now, you are probably sitting in front of your notes, your mock test, and your anxiety all at once. The tension is real. You have studied for months, maybe an entire year, and suddenly 60 days look too short. Don't worry, everyone feels this way. I have been through tough exams myself, from IIT JEE to UPSC prelims, and cleared them. And I have mentored students for years. And one thing I have learned is this: toppers don't study more in last 60 days, they study right. So today let us talk about a realistic 60 days GATE DA roadmap that won't burn you out but will get you ready mentally and academically. I have also created a 2-month revision planner for GATE DA which helps you track subjects wise weak areas, mock scores, and difficulty level of topics. Link for that planner is given in the description. You can download it. This video is not about motivational quotes or fancy hacks. It is about clarity, what to do, what not to do, and how to stay calm while doing this. First thing is mindset reset. The biggest mistakes students make right now is trying to do everything. You don't need to cover 100% of the syllabus. You need to master the 80% that actually fetches marks. Every exam has its own rhythm. For GET DA, that rhythm lies in statistics, linear algebra, and machine learning fundamentals. These are your backbone subjects. Don't ignore them. You can break these 60 days into 3 clear phases. First 2 weeks, you can start from now onwards. You can go through notes and formulas only and no new study material and start taking topic wise tests for the topics which you find weak and take one full mock weekly. Second, next 2 weeks, you can solve previous year question papers in full mock in every 3 days. And the third phase is focus on short notes, formula sheets, and full length mock tests again at the same time as your actual exam slot. And one more thing, please don't just give mock exams and close them. Whether you score high or low, analyze everything. I have seen students that when they get good scores, they get happy. If their score is bad, they get sad and close the mock test. No, you have to analyze that mock. You need to take care of everything. If a question is correct by only guessing, mark it red. If you could not eliminate two options, note that topic down. That is how you remove uncertainty from your exam day. Because in mock test, even if your guess is correct, in real exam it might not be. Next, you can take all India mock test too, not to feel inferior but to see where you actually stand among real competitors. Another thing is most aspirants now overthink the order of subjects. Should I do ML first or do statistics or Python? Don't waste energy deciding this. Just start. Pick any subject, preferably the easiest one, and finish that fast. Completing one subject will give you confidence and momentum to move to the next. Fear goes away the moment you start revising, even imperfectly. Now let us come to the real game, the subjects that decide rank. Focus deeply on linear algebra and statistics. Every year, core numerical questions come from eigenvalues, covariance, and probability distribution. Next is Python basics. No pandas, numpy, and simple code outputs. Here, the logic matters more than syntax. Next is data analysis and a little bit visualization. Here you need to learn to read box plots, histograms, scatter trends. These 2-3 questions are free marks. Next, the big thing is machine learning. Stick to classic decision trees, KNN, naive Bayes, SV, formula sheets. Write every important distribution formula, metric, and identity in one page per subject. And yes, do not underestimate the general aptitude and engineering mathematics. These sections have saved so many ranks. Sometimes when machine learning feels heavy, general aptitude gives you breathing space and easy marks. So give them at least an hour every alternate day. They can make the difference between AIR 400 and AIR 40. In the last 15 days, your goal is not to learn new things. It is to stay stable, sleep well, attempt mocks only at your exam slot time, and never check answers immediately after finishing. Revise your own notes. Trust what you have already built. And remember, you have already done the hard part. You have studied for months, pushed through fatigue, and learned everything you needed. Now it is not about new knowledge. It is about using that knowledge wisely. Keep calm, trust your preparation, and walk into the exam like someone who knows their worth. You have worked hard, you know the concept. Now it is time to convert all that effort into your best rank. So stay steady, stay confident, and I will see you in the results.